What's going on? It's Darren. I'm with JPREI. We're over here in North Houston. I just wanted to give you a quick tour of a property that we're getting ready to start renovations on. We just had the dumpster pulled up. But before that, so our company, we do two different things. We buy houses to create large chunks of income, or we buy houses to build net worth. So what dictates that? Well, our bank account is one of them. Do we need income, or can we buy a house as an asset and build our net worth? And also the area dictates that as well. Some houses you can't buy, fix, and flip because there's not a lot of retail buyers. And in some houses, there's tons of retail buyers, so you can buy, fix, and flip with no issue. But with this one here, it's a better area to buy and hold. It's a lower income neighborhood for now. We're just north of downtown. And the house is just back west of here, already starting to sell for $300,000. We picked this one up for $25,000. What we plan to do is we plan to come in, we plan to renovate it, and after we renovate it, we're going to put a tenant in here, we're going to leave it here, we're going to leave them here for however long, as long as it'll cash flow, we'll keep this house. So Hector, if you'll come this way, I'll go ahead and show you what we plan to do to it. That way we can get it tenant ready. So with this house here, all the siding that you see, we're going to go ahead and pull that off. There's a wood shiplap up underneath that, and so we're going to replace what's ever damaged. We're going to go ahead and paint it. All the windows on this house have to be replaced. They're from the 40s or 50s or whenever. They're really old school, and they're just not functioning anymore. So we're going to go ahead and replace those with new vinyl windows. Then we'll paint everything on the outside. I'll show you better, but this right here, we're going to open this up so the front porch isn't closed in. Right now they have it closed in, but it's just cheaper, more efficient for us to just open it back up and leave it as an open front porch.
Ready to go inside?
Yep, come on in. So this is the enclosed front porch. Obviously, if we were going to keep it, it'd cost a lot more money. We'd have to go back and we'd have to put new sheetrock in here, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows in this little bitty area. And so just opening it up, leave it wide open.
You're gonna keep the ceiling fan?
Substantial amount of money. No, we'll go ahead. We'll put a light back right there. No exterior ceiling fans for this house. So, and then we enter through the front door now right here. You can't see it. You're not going to be able to pick it up with the video. I don't think so. But there's a little bit of foundation. I mean, it's super, super, super minor. They can come in here and just fix that here probably in a couple hours. But what we plan on doing here is we're going to take all the trim off. We're going to take all the doors out. We're going to go ahead and skim all the walls, retexture everything. We're going to put new doors, baseboard, door trim, cabinets. Everything in here is going to be new when we're done. And we'll probably wind up refinishing the floors, and then we will stain them. They're nice and durable, and they last. So this is one of the bedrooms here. With this bedroom here, and then the bedroom that's on the back side of it, we're going to have to do a lot of work in regards to the closet and in regards to the restroom. So it's currently a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, but one of the bedrooms you're going to have to walk through to get to the restroom, and so that makes it not very functional, and somebody probably will not be willing to pay a premium rent if they have to walk through somebody's bedroom to get to the restroom. So what we plan to do here is we plan to take this restroom right here, and we're going to have to gut everything, and we're going to put the restroom over on the right hand side, and then we're going to take this closet over here on the right hand side, and we're going to put it on the left hand side. That way the individual with the other bedroom can get into the restroom without having to go to the bedroom. So you can go ahead and take a look, or look here in the restroom. Everything in here, it needed to be gutted anyways, so this is it. But
nice top. Like the green color.
And then we have the back,
and the blue one here.
Back bedroom over here. Beautiful turquoise blue color. But we have to do the same thing in here just to make it more functional. So that's pretty much it. If you want to come in here to the kitchen, I'll show you the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. We have a hood vent, and then this is premium stuff right here. We're going to try and save it. No, I'm joking. We're going to get rid of this, and we're going to take all the cabinets out. They're original. They're falling apart. We're going to come back in here. We're going to put new cabinets. What we're going to do is we're going to put a smaller hood vent here. and we're gonna have to run a water line so we can put the fridge over on the left-hand side of the cabinets, and then this door right here, over here to the right, yep, you can see it now. We're gonna have to move that door over to the left just a little bit. The reason we're gonna have to do that is because if we left the door right there, the stove would be sticking out and it would look horrible. And we can't do that. It has to look good, so. It's pretty much it for the kitchen. Have to gut everything and come back and put everything new in here. That's pretty much it for the inside. That's pretty much all we're gonna do is that's a little bit of everything.
There's a lot of updates.
For the main, everything else pretty much looks the same. The other bedroom looks the same. It's just the third bedroom on the front of the house. There is no light fixture in there, so we're gonna have to have our electrician run a wire over there. That way we can put a ceiling fan in the bedroom.
What is the expectation cost to renovate the house?
This one will be somewhere around $38,000, so it's about $38 a foot. But we're gonna have to move walls. We're gonna have to gut the restroom. We're gonna have to put a new AC system in here. We'll probably have to put a new breaker box in here, and then we'll have to spend a nice chunk on windows and a nice chunk on the siding. So I'm looking at about $38 a foot for this to bring it up to our rentable standards. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you at the next house, or I'll see you at this house again when we're further along in the project.